Adventurous kids, explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West Adventurous Kids, learning and fun. Adventurous Kids!
Today I'm going to tell you about solar energy. Have you ever felt the warm sunshine on your face or noticed how bright it is? It makes everything around you. That sunlight isn't just for warmth and light. It's actually full of energy. This special kind of energy that comes from the sun is called solar energy. Solar comes from the word sol, which is the Latin name for the sun. Every second, the sun sends huge amounts of energy to the earth to power everything on our planet many times over. If we can learn how to capture and use it. So, how do we turn sunlight into something useful like electricity? Most solar heating systems capture solar energy with a device called a flat plate collector. The collector is a large plate of black metal covered with a sheet of glass. It is usually placed on the roof of a building. The plate absorbs sunlight and uses it to heat air or water that flows through the pipes behind it. The air or water then goes through the building's heating or plumbing system. It can also be held in a storage tank for later use. These flat, shiny panels are usually made of special materials called photovoltaic cells or PV cells for short. Photo means light, voltaic means electricity. So photovoltaic means electricity from light. When sunlight hits a solar panel, the PV cells take in bits of light called photons. These photons bump into atoms inside the panel, which makes the electrons move. The moving electrons create electricity, which we can then use to power lights, charge phones, or even run entire houses. Solar panels can be found almost anywhere on rooftops, in fields, or even on spacecraft. Big groups of panels are called solar farms. They can produce a lot of electricity for cities and towns. Some people use solar water heaters to warm water for their homes or solar cookers to make food without using gas or firewood. Isn't that amazing? One of the best things about solar energy is that it's clean and renewable. That means it doesn't make pollution like burning coal or oil, and we'll never run out of sunlight. The sun has been shining for billions of years and will keep shining for billions more. Using solar energy helps protect our planet and keep the air clean for people, animals, and plants. Solar energy has two big benefits over fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. First, though, fossil fuels can be used up, there is an endless supply of sunlight. Second, solar energy does not cause pollution like burning of fossil fuels does. However, the equipment needed for collecting and using solar energy is expensive. The high cost of solar energy has limited its use. Of course, solar energy does have some challenges. The sun does not shine at night or on very cloudy days, so we need ways to store the extra energy we make during the sunny times. Scientists and engineers are working on better batteries to save that energy for when we need it later. Every year, solar technology keeps getting smarter, cheaper, and more powerful. So the next time you step outside on a sunny day, look up and think about all that energy beaming down from the sky. With a little help from science and technology, we can use the sun's power to light up our world and take care of our planet at the same time. Thanks for watching this episode of Adventurous Kids. Yeah!
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous Kids!
Adventurous